179 species in genus Coccoloba. November 17th. Coccoloba, Coccoloba, the sea grape, defines November 17th. Coccoloba symbolizes strength and resilience. Much like this hardy plant that thrives along coastal regions, you have an ability to endure and adapt to any environment. With your grounded presence and steadfast nature, you bring stability to those around you, offering support when needed most. Like its broad leaves, your influence is expansive, touching many lives with your steady and enduring qualities. Coccoloba, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of botany is a vast and fascinating one, filled with an incredible diversity of plant life. As a plant enthusiast, I, Ferb Vu, am always eager to explore new genera and learn about their unique characteristics. One genus that has particularly captured my attention is Coccoloba. This diverse group of plants, belonging to the Polygonaceae family, boasts a rich variety of species with intriguing features and ecological significance. What is Coccoloba? Coccoloba is a genus of flowering plants native to the tropical regions of the Americas, including the Caribbean, South America, and Central America. The genus encompasses a wide array of growth habits, including trees, shrubs, and lianas. They are typically characterized by their alternate leaves, which can vary significantly in size and shape depending on the species and the age of the plant. Some species, like Coccoloba gigantifolia, are renowned for having some of the largest leaves in the plant kingdom. One of the most striking features of many Coccoloba species is their fruit. These often resemble grapes and can range in color from white and green to red and purple. These fruits are not only visually appealing but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem, serving as a food source for various animals, including birds and mammals. A diverse genus, Coccoloba species. The genus Coccoloba is incredibly diverse, with an estimated 179 species. This extensive list includes a variety of plants, each with its unique features and adaptations. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of Coccoloba. Coccoloba plays a significant role in both the natural environment and human society. Ecological importance. Food source. The fruits of many Coccoloba species are a vital food source for a variety of animals, contributing to the biodiversity of their ecosystems. Coastal protection. Species like Coccoloba uvifera help stabilize coastal dunes and protect against erosion, acting as a natural barrier against storms and rising sea levels. Habitat creation. Coccoloba plants provide habitat and shelter for numerous animal species, from insects and birds to small mammals. Economic and cultural importance. Ornamental plants. Many Coccoloba species are cultivated for their ornamental value, adding beauty and interest to gardens and landscapes. Timber. Some species, like Coccoloba diversifolia, are valued for their timber, which is used in construction and carpentry. Medicinal uses. Traditional medicine utilizes various parts of Coccoloba plants for their potential health benefits. For example, the bark and leaves of some species have been used to treat ailments like diarrhea and skin infections. Food and beverages. The fruits of some species, particularly Coccoloba uvifera, are consumed fresh or used to make jams, jellies, and even wine. Conservation of Coccoloba. While some Coccoloba species are relatively common, others face threats due to habitat loss, deforestation, and climate change. It's essential to prioritize the conservation of these valuable plants to ensure their continued existence and the ecological services they provide. Efforts like habitat restoration, sustainable harvesting practices, and ex situ conservation, like seed banks, are crucial for protecting these species for future generations. Exploring the world of Coccoloba. My journey into the world of Coccoloba has been an enriching one. Learning about the diverse array of species, their ecological significance, and their cultural value has deepened my appreciation for the plant kingdom. I'm eager to continue exploring this fascinating genus and contribute to its conservation. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply a plant enthusiast, I encourage you to delve into the world of Coccoloba and discover the wonders it holds.